Every day I got on my website some visitors, but they are unknown and the anonymous. So what if I can track them, identify their contact details, and after that I can engage with them with the personalized emails or the connectivity. So I need a tool, right? So this is the tool which I can use to connect with my website, and after that it will show me their contact details. After that I can send them personalized and the automated email sequences. So hey guys, this is Basant here, and today's video I'm going to review a AI tool. With the help of I can just identify my unknown and the anonymous visitors and turn them into the leads or the customers. Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you the end-to-end all the steps, how you can connect your website, how you are going to set up this tool, how you are going to launch your campaigns, everything with all the features, demo and the tutorial. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. So right now HyperReach is available on the app Sumo starting from the just $59. It is the really good tool that is going to identify your anonymous website visitors, and if I scroll down below you can check it out. There are so many good features available in this tool that you can check out on its lifetime deal page here. By the way, the link will be given in the description. You can check out this some of the glimpse of the dashboard, but don't worry, I'm going to show you everything in the just few minutes here on this video. Okay, so this is the fast track your B2B outreaching. Let me scroll down below. Make it proposal, optimize emails for the readability, personalize and the engagement. If I scroll down below, customize your email sequences. You can create the multi-steps emails here. Okay, so in the plans and features you can see lifetime access to GoZen HyperReach, all the future updates here. Let me go to the plans, and here you can check it out. It has the multiple plans available, and in the every higher plan you will get the extra more limits and the credits. So based on your objective and the requirement, you can choose any of the plan here and get started with the GoZen HyperReach. So if you want to check out the deal, the link will be given in the description. Now let me go to the GoZen dashboard and start showing out the features and the tutorial step by step. So first we need to connect HyperReach with our website. Okay, so this is our website and we need a tracking script code that we need to add in our website header part, so it will be the connector. So simply create ICP list. So here we have to select the ICP list. Like I can select the ICP list 1, or what I can do, I can add my manual name. So I will go with the demo list. Okay, this is my list name, and after that it is going to ask you this some more details like the job titles, country. By the way, you are giving these details the HyperReach because you want to tell that these are the my prime customers profile. I want you to track and give me the their contact details whenever they visit my website. Okay, so you are configuring this thing. So we can select the job title, we can add the country. Let me add the country like India. Okay, you can add multiple countries as well. For example, I can add these 2 countries. Then after that it is asking me the employer range, industry, company or the technologies. So once I have configured all these steps, let's click here on the create, and now my ICP list will be created. So let me go to the list here, and you can see I have the multiple lists available. So select the list you have created and click here on the get script. In the script you can see it is asking me to create a new script. So I have already created, so I will go on the view existing script, and this is the script I am talking about. And here I will got the script. Simply copy it, go to your website header part and paste that, and boom, you are connected with the HyperReach. That is so much easy. So once the connection is done, let me go to this campaign section or IP to people. Okay, and here you can see it will start working. So right now Google crawled my website and it has tracked the Google, and you can check it out. It is showing me the time, the domain, the location and the employees, everything it is start showing me out. So this is the crawler, but whenever your ideal customer visit the people, it will track and show their industry, the company, all this stuff in this kind of the example. Okay, now what we have to do, we have to go to the org builder, and here we need to set up our company or the organization, so that way we are understanding HyperReach about our company, our brand and whatever the things. So simply we have to click here on the create new org, enter your company name, your website, your services offering and the value proposition, and based on that it is going to create this thing. Okay, on from my website is fetched my logo, by the way. So simply click it here, and now it is asking your objective, like what thing you want from your visitors. You want to schedule a meeting, you want to connect with the customers, you want to engage, whatever. So I will click here on the engage, and now it is asking me my engagement tone will be the, let's go with the professional, and click on the next. And here it is asking me enter the prompt. On behalf of this prompt, it is going to generate the message to connecting with that visitor. So right now, if you don't any idea how you are going to write this prompt, simply click here on this show sample prompts. It has already some pre-designed and the pre-built prompts available you can use. So like this one, generate a professional but conversational email that feels human type. So it's met my engagement objective. So simply click here on the plus icon, and now it will be added. And after that, you have to add your organization name. Once again, click on the create, and boom, you have created your organization here. So that's how much easy. Now after that, we can start creating our campaign. So let's go to the campaign section, and here we have to click here on the create campaign. So I have already created the few campaigns for the testing ID this tool, but I'm showing out from the sketch. So let's click here on this create campaign. It will ask your campaign name. I will add it like the SaaS Guru, whatever the name you want to give it out. Let's click on the create, and now it is created here. Open it, and now we have to go to the sequence, because this is the analytical parts, and here it will show me all the insight like the sequence started, open, clicked, unsubscribed, all those stuff. So let's go to the sequence, and here this is your first sequence, means this is the first email. Within the first day you can send out automatically to your visitors. Okay, so you can change the date, time, whatever thing, or the subject line. But here's the important thing, you can create the multi-steps email sequence. So let's create the second email in this sequence, and now this is the second email, and I want to send it out on the second day once the visitor added to the campaign. And here I can add the subject name, hi, welcoming. Okay, you can add your email copy here. Okay, and for the personalization, you can see this is the double bracket section selected here, and from here you can select the personalized thing like your contact name, your from account, campaign, all this stuff you can select and craft your email. So once it's done, you can go to this schedule, and here we are going to launch our campaign. Whatever the time frame we want to select, whatever the days we want to select, we can also track the campaign like the email open, links, clicks. Okay, and once everything is done, click on the activate campaign, and your campaign is ready. So now what you can see, you will get started the few people's traction on your campaigns. And like this one, this is the test campaign I have added, and if I go to the view profiles, it will show you based on their profile. It has already created this copy here. So let me open one, and you can see that this is your subject line automatically created with the HyperReach. This is the my email copy. Okay, and suppose you didn't like this one, so it is also the some other variants as well available here. So you can select any of these one, and it will also show you the email address for some of these visitors and the leads. Okay, so that's all for the campaign section. Now let me go to the next feature, that is the personalized mail. Suppose this is the campaign, then automatically the leads added in the from your website visitors. But if you have already the list of people available, then you can send out all of those people in the list with this personalized here. So simply click here on the personalized list, and here it will ask you to select the organization, and after that it will ask you to upload your contact list, create a personalized email, and here you can select all the columns. Okay, this is the next part, after installing or adding your email list. Okay, and then based on that, it will send out the personalized email to everyone from your list. But if you have the single people also available, there's this feature, personalized single profile. So simply open it, and here it will ask you to paste the LinkedIn profile for that single person. So we will go to the LinkedIn, fetch out any of the link of the profile, get back to HyperReach, paste the link, click here on the compose email, and now it will analyze and compose. Let's go to the integrations, And in the integrations, we have the so many good integrate with the HyperReach. It has the also a browser extension available here, and with connecting with that you need the API key. So here's the API key, simply copy it, go to the browser extension and install, and after that this Chrome extension or the whatever the browser you are using, you can check it out here, simply add your API key, and now it is enabled. So now let me tell you how you can use this browser extension. So it will work only on the LinkedIn. So go to the LinkedIn, explore any profile. Let me explore this one, and now you can see there's the few shortcuts. It will start appearing. First of all, there's this one, this icon, you can see this is for the HyperReach. This icon, you can see this is HyperReach. So simply click it here, any of these shortcuts, and click here on the start creating emails, and now it will ask you to select the headline about whatever the information you want in your campaign. So I will go with the about and the headline, and let's click on the confirm and continue, and now it will show you all the campaigns here from our HyperReach dashboard. So like I have created the, let me go to campaign, I have created the this one, test name SaaS Guru. You see, you remember I have created this one. So I will select here, click on the confirm and continue, and after that this is my organization. Yes, this profile is relevant to my organization, so I will select here, confirm and continue, and now it is asking me which kind of the email or the message I want to create for scheduling a meeting, connecting with customers. So I will go with the connecting with customer, click on the confirm and continue. Now it is asking me the tone, so I will go with the casual, confirm and continue, and now based on everything I have selected, it is going to generate a personalized message. So this is the personalized message, and suppose I didn't like on the this LinkedIn profile this copied message, okay, or what I can do, I can also send the mail here because it is added to my campaign. Okay, so that's how you can use its browser extension. So now it's back to the HyperReach dashboard, and there's also the more integrations available like the Google Sheet, your email marketing, webhooks, Slack. You can also connect with the Slack, and it is going to notify every time a new visitors that is relevant its campaign section. So you will get the notification in the Slack. It has the CRM integration, it has the other email marketing platforms, and the next thing is the accounts, where you can check it out, the information for your accounts, for your team members, all those stuff. So I'm not going to cover it that. So these are the 4 or 5 core features I have talked about. I have showed you how you can connect and integrate your website. I have showed you how you can create your campaign and check it out the people. So once your campaign is live, for example, I have added the one lead from the LinkedIn. So if I go to the profiles, this lead will appear here, and if I click here on the find email, let's check it out. We can find the email. Yes, its email is appearing. So I got the email. You know, there's the no email is showing up, so you was confused like how we can contact. So that's the video I want to talk about, and this is the GoZen lifetime deal. I highly suggest you should not miss out this tool, because you are just turning your unknown visitors into the customers, finding their email. This is the maximize.ai, and it is the similar tool that you can use for the, or you can just create the chat bot or integrate with